Today, let's make a simple caramel sauce with 2 ingredients, 100 grams cashew sugar and 120 ml whipping cream. Salt is optional, usually half to 1 gram is recommended. Know that the cream should be hot right before using, so microwave it when it's about time. I prefer to use an 8-inch frying pan because it's faster. To it, add sugar and swirl to even it out in a pan. Turn heat on to medium-low. Swirl the pan once in a while to move the sugar around. The center starts to melt faster, so I move the pan off-center to help heat other spots. When the white bits disappear at the bottom and on the edges, start swirling the pan. When most of the white bits are gone, use a spatula to carefully move any crystals clinging to the sides and board till all the crystals are melted. I didn't use a spatula earlier because sugar crystals stuck to it are hard to remove. Unlike now, the sugar scraped back into syrup dissolves easily just by swirling the pan. To check downness, the easiest way is to tilt the pan and see if the true color has turned deep amber. However, color can be tricky. It's easy to end up with sauce that's flavorless or too bitter, too soft, or too hard. So I recommend using a kitchen thermometer. The ideal range for syrup is between 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. I usually aim for 176. At this point, turn heat off, grab the hot cream and add about half of it. Swirl the pan and you may see vigorous bubbles. When it quiets down a bit, add the remaining cream. Use a spatula to mix well. Add sea salt if you choose to use it. If you feel some sugar has recrystallized at the bottom of the pan, just turn the heat back on to extremely low. Don't boil it or overheat it. Mix till the bottom feels smooth again. Then turn off heat and remove the pan. Let it cool slightly, then transfer to a jar. This makes about 120 ml. Some of you may prefer a smoother butter version. Here's how. Add 100 grams cashew sugar to the pan. Heat it to 176 degrees Celsius. Then add 30 grams softened butter and mix till it melts. Now add 15 ml of cream. Mix, then add another 15 ml of cream and mix till everything's smooth. Turn off the heat and remove the pan to the counter. Add a sea salt if you choose to use it. Mix till it dissolves. Let it cool a bit, then transfer it to a jar. This makes about 150 ml. At room temperature, the butter version is smooth and consistent. The color is slightly lighter. The butter-free version is a bit darker and thicker. They can be used as drizzle too. Taste-wise, I prefer this butter-free version because the flavor is more concentrated. Here are some tips for how to use this caramel sauce. Drizzle on the yogurt, on your breakfast cereal, on any cheesecake, or on zones, a Chinese glutinous rice dumpling wrapped in reed leaves. Use it on salad to pair the flavors, or make a salad dressing by combining Dijon mustard, caramel sauce, apple cider vinegar or wine vinegar, orange juice, salt and pepper, and finally olive oil. Shake to mix and it's done. I use it to dress my hand-torn chicken salad, and it worked quite well. Or make a lazy cooking sauce by adding to it Chinese black vinegar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Chinese yellow wine. Mix thoroughly and use it to make a twisted version of Chinese Hongxiao pork or red braised pork belly. You can also blend it with milk to make a flavored iced coffee latte. The caramel sauce should be stored in the refrigerator, but the texture will change. Both versions lose their drizzling effect. The butter version stays soft and smooth and is perfect for spreading. The butter-free version loses smooth consistency, but remains soft. Both are ideal for spreading on something like bread. Caramel sauce can be tricky. If you don't control the temperature, it can become too bitter. If you cook it too long, it'll become too thick after chilling. If you cut cream in half, it'll become rock solid. And even if you meet it halfway, it'll still be a bit too thick to use immediately. Okay, that's it for today. Comment below if you have questions. Bye for now.